Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bargersville, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moves are those that are more than 50 miles away from your existing residence. Long-distance relocation sometimes necessitates more planning and attention to the detail than local transfers. It is also, in most situations, more expensive. Hiring 3 movers to help move your belongings long distance or to or from Bargersville will give you the most efficient and affordable long-distance moving services possible. Our drivers have all the required licenses for a long-distance relocation, and our working relationship with the state and federal agencies in charge of relocations is strong. We have insurance policies in place that cover risk liabilities for our clients. Our team of movers will assist you with packing and transporting your goods to your new residence. You will also need to let us know your schedule so that we don't interfere with any other important activities you may need planned during the relocation period. Local moves often happen within the same state, and they are usually less expensive and less stressful, but also require meticulous planning. If the planning is correct to act, 3 movers can complete your relocation within any day. Hence, we advise you to trust 3 movers for our planning and execution. Our prices are fair because we charge between $30 to $40 per hour, and you can rest assured that our movers will give you the best possible service. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bargersville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.